I thought of making this kind of audio in some sense because I really wanted to say this. Any action that I do must be an offering to that. The action must be a reverberance of that. So when you will think about it, actually you have to intuitively kind of know it, experience it in a non-experiencing fashion, that is. I know it is circular and contradictory, self-contradictory, but that's how it is. So what I'm basically trying to say is any action that I do or commit in some sense, not that I can do, I can only see the action happening around me. I'm never doing it. So I'm not a doer. But in some sense, whatever happens is my own thoughts. So I'm the driving force for them. In some sense, the accumulated driving force, that is. So any action that I kind of want to happen should be in the name of that, and that omnipresent unborn should be the medium of that action. So any action should be done without any discrimination. So what is the right action? When you think about it, there's no discrimination, so there's no right and wrong. So any action that I commit must be an action that is inclusive of everything. So basically, if it is of that, I cannot be there. If I am there, my personal self is there, then it is not the action of that unborn. So everything that I do from now on is for that. I should never be there. That's all I can think of, that as long as I am there. Today today is a very kind of special day with respect to the present consciousness level that I have, because I've just realized this at this time. Time is also overrated, no? In the body realm. It is important, but it is non-significant completely in the reality realm, maybe. I've just realized this simple thing, that as long as I am present, I can never do anything. When I'm forgotten completely, it's like this. I'm watching a flower. The moment I'm watching it without any thought in my mind, I know everything about it. The moment I qualitatively quantify in terms of words, because I think in my full headed nonsensical head that I know about it. So I speak about it and then it's gone. The connection that I had, the oneness with the flower is gone. So any action that I will do from now on is because it is happening. That's the simplest way. Uh, that's in the simplest term I can explain that. It's very, very non linguistic in some sense. But yeah, that's how it is. And silence is the key. You have to be ever silent. That's that's the reality.